In 1827, a Scottish poet named William McGonagall took the stage, notorious for his terrible poetry. During a dramatic recital, he became so invested in expressing his emotions that he dramatically tossed his arms in the air. Unfortunately, a sudden misfire from the cannon used for special effects startled him, causing a heart attack. The audience was initially confused, mistaking it for part of the show. Ironically, McGonagall was later celebrated not for his literary talent, but for the absurdity of his demise, forever immortalizing him in poetic history.